Hi guys, I wanted to give the car a try in the car park here. It is nice and smooth, but it is raining. It's only raining a little bit at the moment, so I might just give it a try with one cam just to see what it looks like. Well, that's going alright. I meant to put the camera on, I forgot that. I think I'll just take that off. Right, we'll try this cam. Should give us a bit of left and right. Not much right, is it? I'm not under the car, thank you. Yeah, that cam needs to be on the right for longer, doesn't it? It's coming on to rain a bit harder now. I think we'll stop. We don't want it getting all rusty. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.